Hello everyone, today in this video I'll talk about scholarship opportunities at Ulster University. The university is located in, guess? Yeah, you're right, it's located in Ireland. Now, scholarship for international students. Okay, scholarship for international students, great scholarship 2024. So these are different scholarships. You can take a look here. Fulbright scholarship open to students from USA, and like they have different eligibility criteria. These all scholarships are not eligible to all international students. Okay, you can click on the scholarship and then you can see further information. So for example if you want to see about great scholarships 2024, then you can click here for international students, and I want to click here international postgraduate scholarships, and then you'll click here, then you will come here and you can see apply to Ulster University. The value of the scholarship €2000, and eligibility criteria is you must be classified as international self-funding student paying the international tuition fee rate of. To qualify for that award, you must also hold an offer for full-time postgraduate program delivered on one of our campus, and student applying to part-time e-learning programs or applying to programs delivered at our branch campus are not eligible for that award. Okay, if you are applying for part-time, then you are not eligible. If you are applying for full-time, then you are eligible. Please note you are only eligible for one discount or scholarship. How you can apply? You don't need to apply for this award. All eligible students are awarded it automatically. When you will apply for the admission, then they will consider you if you are eligible or not. And if you are applying at undergraduate, then you can click here to see further details. And here great scholarships, click here. You take a look. Great scholarships in partnership with the British Council and the Great Britain campaign. Ulster University are offering a total of 3 scholarships to students who are applying for postgraduate programs, excluding e-learning programs. Great Scholarship 2024 open to students from Bangladesh, Kenya and Indonesia. Okay, as I said that all international students are not eligible for that scholarships. This scholarship is only available for Bangladesh, Kenya and Indonesia. So if you are from these countries, then go for it guys. The coverage is about €10,000 towards your tuition fee for 1 year master's program, and yeah, you can take a look further about that. How you can apply is apply for September 20 are open now, so you can click here to apply. What is the eligibility criteria? Hold passport, hold full-time offer, and yeah, you can take a look here. And now here we can see other scholarships are available to international students. British Council Scholarship, and these are all other scholarships which are available for international students. You can click here to see further detail about this scholarship. For example, British Council Scholarship, then you can click here to see further details about that scholarship. You can take a look here. And yeah, if you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. I wish you best of luck, and the link is in the description. You can take a look here. Yeah, if you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. I wish you best of luck. Take care and bye bye.